ALLDATA Collision contains millions of pages of data to help you repair vehicles safely and in complete compliance with the manufacturer's specifications. The Collision Technician's Reference section contains many documents from vehicle manufacturers to aid in this. Manufacturer's position statements document the manufacturer's stance on such issues as the use of salvage parts in vehicle crash repairs, clipping and unibody repairs, structural repairs, and steel repair matrices, as well as the proper use of adhesives in body panel attachment and paintless dent repair. Some manufacturers also provide dismantling guides and emergency response guides. Accessories and optional equipment contains information pertaining to anti-theft and alarm systems, collision avoidance and parking assist systems, forward-looking and backup cameras, and more. All the information you need when dealing with restraints and safety systems is conveniently listed in one section. Here, you will find the information you need when dealing with these critical safety components and systems. Hybrid drive systems present a complex and specialized area of collision repair that needs special attention. Of particular note in this area are technical service bulletins and service precautions. These information categories are available for the overall system as well as the subsystems and components where applicable. Properly installing a windshield or adjusting a window regulator is not as straightforward as it used to be. Head-up displays, sensors and cameras, along with side impact curtains and regulators that must be reprogrammed, are just a few of the complexities involved in this once simple procedure. All this information is readily available under Windows and Glass. The Body and Frame section under Systems and Components contains in-depth information specific to collision repairs. The subcategory Body Dimensions provides information often not found in frame alignment machines. Upper body dimensions and panel gap tolerances, just to name a few. The use of high-strength, lightweight steel and other exotic materials is now common throughout vehicle construction. Some of these components must be completely replaced, while others require specialized equipment or procedures to repair. Knowing where these materials are on the vehicle and how to deal with them is vital to a safe and proper repair. The construction materials area gives you this. The information can also be found in subsystem categories such as bumper, doors, hood and trunk, frame, etc. An information type for most subcategories is locations. This information is invaluable when trying to find a sensor or relay module for inspection, replacement, or reprogramming. ALLDATA Collision contains detailed diagrams to aid in this sometimes tedious task. Navigating to the information in ALLDATA Collision is simple and easy. However, the search engine makes this even faster. Just type in a search term, and all the information categories with related information will be displayed in this dropdown. No matter what page you navigate to, the search results will stay there until you clear the search term or enter a new one. This has been a brief introduction to the vast amount of information available in ALLDATA Collision. We showed information types and articles mainly related to collision repairs. However, there are many more. Information related to any type of mechanical repair is also included.